Good morning. And this may be afternoon as well as the evening for you when you pop this open. So I'm just jumping on here to inspire you guys and create ease for you. And with that, I'm going to just walk you through the group dynamic. What I mean inside that is how to use the group, the closed group Facebook that you're in, and to its highest ability to serve you in the best, to keep things easy, to keep things flowing. Because as we know, when we jump into something new, maybe some of you have, this is your first experience inside a group, maybe you're an expert with that. I could probably learn a tip or two from some of you guys, but there's a ton of organization inside the group. So if you're a bee and cricket, if you tend to be more on that side, you'll really love this. If you tend to be more of a butterfly and a ladybug, then really how you can see this working in your best advantage so that you don't get frustrated. So here we are, okay? I'm gonna screen share with you guys so that you can see the group that we're talking about. And here we are. So Decluttering with Julia. And this is a private group. However, people can see it publicly and then come in privately. So these photos that we post here won't be shared outside that unless you give authorization to do that. You know, part of the reason that I'm doing this is to help educate people that I'm doing this, to get excitement and to really just offer some of my expertise out there in this world right now. So I thank you all for just being here, to be joining in with excitement and with your knowledge, and really being brave to show us inside your home what's going on, where you're getting stuck, where you need support, and where you may help some others with some of the struggles that you've had, because we're here as a community to really support each other. So again, thank you for spending the time to do this. So let's just jump in here. This is going to always be at the top because it's an announcement. So each person that comes in will see this and know really what we want to be doing is figure out what your bug organizing style is first. And I just want to say inside that people can come into this at any time. The idea is that it continues to grow and get big and big. So if you haven't done your bug test, please go in, figure that out, because that's really going to keep you from getting frustrated right from the beginning. Because here's the thing, a lot of systems out there are for crickets, which crickets likes systems inside systems. And so if you want things simple, it can be frustrating. And that's a lot of times where, like, if you are in a household with other people and you're trying to get them to do your style, it can just, you'll really butt heads and it won't actually happen as fast or as with ease as you'd like. So here we are at the first part. Now, any topic that I bring up, you're going to find over here. This might look a little bit different because, of course, I'm admin inside the group. But for the most part, you're going to find any topics that I bring up over on the side here. So here is the topic inside the TOS, the 21-day TOS. And I want to show you guys some, let's see here. I want to show you some information on that. I did a video, so you can just drop this down here and it will bring you all the way down. And I really talk about how you can take part in the drawing that I'm offering in this first week. The rest of the weeks, I'm not going to be offering any of my time inside that free. I will be offering that if you guys want that, you know, inviting you if you want more support, that I'm here. This is obviously a business that I'm doing, but this is truly about inspiring you and getting you information that really keeps you motivated. So I'm just going to pop over here real quick to the discussion because I showed on here, I mean, we're going to see some of these beautiful photos of where people are starting before and after, and those that have really posted pictures inside how they're doing that. So Mary did hers here, and Katrina did hers here, Joanna did hers here, and I started with a video here. So you can look at that. It'll give you a little more insight in what we're doing as far as getting this really rocking. And so I want to, yes, here it is. Okay, so this is how you want it to look. This is how you want your post to look, a before and after photo. And I have an app on my phone that allows me to do these before and after. But you can simply just post a photo of you with your bag and then the photo of all your items. Here's the cricket inside me that wants like all of it in one place, and you know, systems inside systems. But here's how you want it to look. So you post something. I obviously can't tag myself inside a post, but I'm putting, you know, what I'm doing, and then I'm putting these two hashtags that helps spread the word, helps get other people out there that might be interested in this to see this, and it helps to just build my business. So you want to tag me in it, in your post, and you want to get your before and after photos with both of these hashtags inside there. That's what those are called, hashtags inside there. So I'm just going to scroll up here. And what I did is I just gave a little extra support inside here with Joanna to remind her. See, I tagged myself in her group, and you can just do at Julia Anderson, Wilcox Anderson, and that's another way to bring it up versus writing out my whole name. But yeah, she did a great job here. She just posted, you know, the photo of her after, which is fine too. But basically, you're just, you know, showing people what you're doing before. Here's a before and after, which she did too, which is great. And then Mary did the bag of her stuff in my side here. So just showing you guys, right here is perfect. This before. She forgot to do a before, which is no big deal. I have a tendency to do that. I get so excited about moving into organizing that I forget to do that. So what I encouraged inside here for Terry is to just get a sticky note and put it on your phone, or put it somewhere that you see so that you don't forget to do that before, because that's really the magic. And that's the win inside this, is for you to be able to see these before and after photos of what you're doing to help you stay motivated and really get excited about the motion that you're making. Sometimes it won't feel like like you've done much, but when you go back and you can see the before and after, you're like, wow, I really did make a big dent. Okay, so you'll find all your topics over here. Another way that you can search is just inside here. So let's say I want to do 21 item. I can just go there and search, and then I'll pretty much get everything that has that information in there. Okay, so that's another quick, easy way to search inside the group. And of course, you can go up here if you want to go to the top and remember maybe what the rules are. Make sure you're abiding by those. And just really where the most recent topic posts have been coming in, and scroll through. So that's another way. If you want to look at discussions where we're talking about, you know, what's happening inside the group, this is another place to go there. Any announcements that I have, those are always going to be pinned at the top of the group. But as we get into more announcements, right now I just have the one because I'm really wanting people to make sure that they get inside their test, their quiz, to find out their bug style, and then moving forward. So yeah, and if you want to search some other members, I really encourage you guys, if you aren't friends, to get in there and add yourself as a friend, get to know some of these people, you know, check out their profiles, see what they're doing. It's pretty amazing to see how we have a lot of things that are interconnected, that we may have in common, and just keep inspired. Later down the road, I'm gonna ask you guys to maybe get not maybe, you will get an accountability partner, because that's another way to stay motivated. And so I'm gonna ask you guys to reach out to somebody else in the group. And you know, if you know a little bit about somebody, you might know that you already got some things in common. I'm also going to encourage you to maybe reach out to somebody that you don't have a lot in common, because you'll really learn a lot from somebody that might not be on the same page as you. And so it can help you inside learning some new styles. Maybe you can support them, vice versa. And then, of course, if there's any events inside the this page, you'll find those there. Any videos that I have done, or any videos in general that you've done that have come up. And then, of course, here is where I'll be putting any kind of PDFs, any files, any like that you can print out, printable. This will be a place that you can find that. So you can go right here, or what you can do when we go up to the top here, I'm going to actually go in discussion. When you scroll down back through here, you're going to find the group files inside here. So hopefully this is going to create a way for you to have ease and just really feeling like you've got this. I'm going to stop screen sharing here. And that you stay motivated and moving forward. And honestly, if you have any questions, I really encourage you to reach out inside the group. Someone else might be able to answer. If I'm outside digging in the garden in our property up here and I'm not able to get to it, or again, if you tag me in any of those questions, that's going to bring it to my notifications and I see that right away. So that's the best way to get me seeing what it is that you're wanting support with and help, because the idea is to stay unstuck and to continue to stretch. Or as one of my mentors says, let's get stretchy. Let's, push the boundaries and allow ourselves to grow inside something new. All right, so I hope that supports you guys. Again, if you have any questions, I want to really encourage you guys to take part in this drawing at the end of the week, where I'm going to give an hour of my time to really help you maximize or customize some of this organization, whether that be tackling a big project or just where you might need some really good support. And so the ways of doing that, reminding you, is get on your daily dues, as I call it, which yesterday was the 21 item toss. And today I'm going to be tackling just getting excited, finding out what your bug style is, and then what I'm going to do is lean into making your bed. Like, just as simple as that. If that's the only thing that you do today, it's making your bed. So that is going to be your daily, no matter what we lean into in the following days, that's the number one thing that you're doing every single day, starting your day. All right, guys, thanks for your time, and let me know if you have any questions.